today I have something very cool. I am getting a new exhaust on the 992 GT3, and this time I'm talking about F1 sounds. I'm talking about cup car. I'm talking about making your ears bleed, and that's because we have a brand new full header system, not just the muffler, to really change the sound of the 4-liter flat 6 engine. Now, what makes the difference between the other exhaust mufflers that we've played with? Because this is my 4th exhaust. This exhaust has the headers, and when you just do a muffler with the stock cats, it's not loud at all. Yeah, it's great for emissions, but you know what it does? It makes it sound like shit. We've changed that, and we've got the brand new exhaust from ARMYTRIX 992 GT3 complete exhaust system. So I've finished unwrapping the exhaust and I have it laid out here on the table for you. So let me get you that first dramatic cinematic shot so you can take this all in on the shipping table. You guys ready? Here it comes. How was that? That was the cinematic shot of the new exhaust system on the table. Here it is. It is all polished stainless steel, TIG welded. It's got the factory electronic valves to mount on there, so when I turn it from sport and track, the exhaust opens up. ARMYTRIX carbon fiber tips. I really like these instead of the standard like stainless ones or whatnot. And of course, to make sure the carbon fiber stays very good, not falling off, cracking, whatnot, they reduce the heat because they have a metal insert inside them. So here it is, the full exhaust system. So beautiful. All the polishedness, all the bunkness, the thick flanges, very detailed in there. You can see they've got this thing designed to sound amazing and make some horsepower. Of course, I'm excited because ARMYTRIX always has an amazing system. And this, along with the VRTuned ECU flash, should make the car have some great power and even sound awesome with the additional pops and bangs. So it's time to get the exhaust off and put this new ARMYTRIX exhaust on. All right, ARMYTRIX exhaust is fully installed. We're gonna do the first startup here. Little sneak peek at the beautiful ARMYTRIX carbon fiber tips. They're just peeking out. Let's jump in and see how this sounds. All right, let's rev it. Oh my God, that's just normal. Open them up. That sounds so good. Now we gotta take this thing out and blast it down the highway to hear what it really sounds like. I'm super pumped. 9,000 RPM, here we come. Let's go, let's take this out. So I thought I'd come here to a little place I like to call the Mountain of the South Dragon. If you know, you know. We're gonna put some cameras on here and go up these nice little roads and let you hear how the ARMYTRIX sounds, because we'll probably be in literally 2nd or 3rd gear at most. It'll probably sound pretty cool. The burbles with the VRTuned, and obviously is just the way that GT3 engine sounds. So let's let you enjoy this music. hope you guys enjoyed the video of the ARMYTRIX exhaust on my 992 GT3. ARMYTRIX is just an awesome way to go. And of course, they have exhaust systems for all types of cars, for BMW, for Ferrari, for Lamborghini, for Audi, for the Nissan GTR, for so many. So if you guys want to see what exhausts are available for your car, make sure you check us out, vividracing.com. All right, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.